This is Mission Control Houston. You're looking live at Launch Pad 0A at the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport on Wallops Island, Virginia. This view of Northrop Grumman's Antares rocket poised on top of the pad, towering 133 feet tall, fully fueled, ready to launch over 8,000 pounds of research, fresh food, technology demonstrations, and supplies to the International Space Station. Today's Cygnus being launched is named the SS Piers Sellers after late NASA astronaut and climate scientist Piers Sellers. Piers Sellers began his career at NASA in 1982 and flew 3 times on the space shuttle aboard STS-112, STS-121, and STS-132. In total, Piers Sellers spent nearly 35 days in space, and as an astronaut, he helped build the International Space Station over the course of 6 spacewalks, totaling 41 hours.
T-minus 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have engine ignition.
Yep.
And
the Antares launch vehicle from Wallops Flight Facility. Engines are at 100% thrust. Attitude is nominal.
And we have liftoff of the SS Piers Sellers, carrying over 8,000 pounds of cargo to the International Space Station. Good performance on the first stage so far.
Steady at 100% thrust and nominal. Engine still at 100% thrust and nominal. Valve VNO3 open. Attitude remains nominal. Electrical power is nominal.
Everything continuing to look good on Antares.
Passing through 25,000 feet. Passing through max Q, attitude remains nominal.
The first stage is now passing through max Q, the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the rocket. Now 90 seconds into today's flight of the Northrop Grumman Cygnus resupply cargo craft headed to the International Space Station.
NG-3 now open. Engines remain steady at 100% thrust.
Coming up on the 2-minute mark of flight, everything looking good.
Attitude remains nominal. Power is nominal. At 7,000 feet per second velocity. Attitude remains nominal. Attitude remains nominal.
Continuing to get good reports from the Range Control Center at Wallops.
Velocity now 11,000 feet per second. Power remains nominal. Beginning slow throttle down. Core pressures remain nominal.
Now 3 minutes into today's flight, throttle down will occur 3 minutes into the flight, which means main engine cutoff will be coming soon.
Engine's now at 55% thrust. And MECO.
We have MECO, or main engine cutoff. Antares now entering a coast stage. Fairing separation will occur about 30 seconds from now.
You have fairing separation.
Fairing separation confirms. Cygnus now exposed to the atmosphere as it continues its trek uphill to its preliminary orbit.
Stage 2 ignition.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
Stage 2 remains nominal.
Stage 2 is a solid rocket motor burn for about 2 minutes and 44 seconds.
And we have Stage 2 burnout.
Stage 2 burnout confirmed. Cygnus has reached the preliminary orbital insertion.
And we have payload separation.
Spacecraft separation confirmed. Cygnus now well on its way to the International Space Station.